Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to find draft videos on YouTube on mobile. Let's dive right and uncover the mystery of finding your YouTube Shorts drafts. And that's where YouTube Shorts draft come in handy. They allow you to hold on to your initial creative spark and perfect it over time. If you're wondering where those drafts disappeared, don't fret. They're tucked away safely, waiting for you to bring them to life. This guide will walk you through the easy steps to locate your YouTube Shorts draft and continue creating those wonderful, engaging short videos that your audience loves. So first, open your YouTube app. Start by opening the YouTube app on your Android device. You can find the YouTube app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Then, tap on the plus icon. Look for the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, usually located in the center. It's a circular icon with a plus sign inside. Simply tap on it to proceed. Now choose Create a Short. A menu will appear with a few options. Among the options, you need to select Create a Short. This option is especially designed for creating short and engaging videos. Now, access the short camera. Once you've selected Create a Short, you will be directed to the short camera interface. This is where you can start recording your short video. Then tap on the draft icon. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice an icon that looks like a folder. This is the draft icon. Tap on it to access your saved drafts. But for me, I will tap on the X, and this is the options. After tapping on the draft icon, a list of your saved drafts will appear on the screen. You can scroll through the list and tap on any of them to continue editing or finalizing your video. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.